Yo, yo, what up fam? Today we're gonna be making something from my book, New World Sourdough. Hoy vamos a hacer Mallorcas. The first thing we gotta do is whisk together the eggs, milk, levain or leaven, brown sugar, lemon zest, and vanilla. We're gonna whisk it until it's incorporated. So let's go ahead and get that done. I've got the eggs here, 100 grams of eggs. Yeah, one egg's usually 50 grams, so 2 eggs. I should just put 2 eggs. Get that guy here. Whisk it together. Whisk together some eggs. We'll add our, 1 gram of vanilla extract. There we go. That's our gram there. Remove this here. All right. There we go. Some brown sugar. All right, this is a nice creamy little mixture of levain, milk, brown sugar, eggs, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of lemon zest. Had the lemon zest already in there with the levain, just in case y'all are wondering. All right, next step here is to add the cube butters, flour. So I got my flour here with a little bit more lemon zest, actually. Then I've got some salt already here in the flour. So I'm gonna add this mixture. And we've got cube butter. Here we go. And I am simply going to mix it all together until there's no dry flour left. And then I'm gonna knead it. Make sure that cube butter is nice and soft. All right, once you get everything incorporated and you're squeezing it, there's no dry flour left and the cube butter's getting all up in there, it's time to work it, you know? It's time to knead it. This is my favorite part, is kneading the dough. You know, porque hoy estamos haciendo Mallorcas. That means today we're making Mallorcas. Today we're making Mallorcas. Oh yeah, it's a nice sweet smell. I can just smell it. It's smooth. It's delicious. Remember, the key is palm forward, pull back with the, you know what I'm saying? Pull back with the fingers, you know what I'm saying? Palm forward, pull back. And here comes the cops. Block is high, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna knead it. It's probably one of the best doughs I've ever made, actually. Just saying. Franz, stay out of my video, Franz. And all right, guys. Anyway, once your dough is nice and smooth, let's see what it says to do. I don't even know what it says to do. It says, cover the dough, let ferment at room temperature for 6 hours, and then refrigerate for 12 hours more. All right, guys, well, see you tomorrow. Yeah, this is gonna go into a bowl. I put it into the same bowl. All right, we're gonna cover it, 6 hours room temperature, 12 hours fridge, then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna finish making the Mallorcas. Yeah, Mallorcas! Man, today's the day, guys. You already know. Our dough was on the countertop for 6 hours, in the fridge for 12 hours, so basically overnight. Got my Z's. Maybe just had some prep the day before. You already know, because I'm a professional. Guys, so the dough, you're gonna see a nice increase in size. It's gonna smell so sweet. Oh man, let me tell you something about how this dough smells right now. Mamma mia. Yeah, anyway, so what does it say to do now, man? It says to Flour the work surface, pat it down into a rectangle about 12 by 8 inches. Okay, B. Whatever you say, 12 by 8 inches. So anyway, let's pat it down, use a rolling pin. You know, that should do. Something like that. I don't know if that's 12 by 8. That's definitely not 12. And it's probably not 8. I don't even where did I get those measurements from? I don't. I'm just kidding, guys. I do know. I met. There we go. That's 12 by 8 for sure. For sure. That's 12 by 8 for sure. Now, next step is to spread the room temperature butter over the dough and sprinkle the granulated sugar on top. Wow, that is, so I got some soft room temperature butter here. Yes. I'm just using my fingers, sorry. I mean, it's real out here right now, guys. So I'll spread a nice layer of butter on there. Next, it says to evenly sprinkle the granulated sugar on top. Oh yeah. Ooh boy. We're gonna cut these into, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 9, yeah, 10, yeah. They're a little thick. So we got 11. So then, I'm gonna roll each strip into a pinwheel into the Mallorca shape. Let's get that going. Yes. Mallorquita. Es una Mallorquita. It's like a little Mallorca. Bloop, 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 bloop. Here we go. Oh, whoa, look at that. Sheet pan with parchment paper just appeared. So I'm gonna put my Mallorcas here. I'm gonna line them up like 4 by, whatever. But I'm gonna do 4 because I want them to touch a little bit during the bake. It makes it more fun. It's more fun when the Mallorcas touch. It's more fun when the Mallorcas touch, Then you can pull them apart and, they're all soft and warm and, it's just better that way. Boom, that's 4. And that's the last one. You look thick. Boom. So I'm gonna let these dudes, I'm gonna let these Mallorcas proof for 2 to 3 hours. So it says, fill an oven-proof pot with boiling water and put it into the cold oven with the oven off, and then put your tray of Mallorcas inside the oven so it can proof. So essentially, I've got some freshly boiled water here, and I'm going to, I just put it in a baking tin. Ooh, that's hot. Well, that's hot. Put it into the cold oven. And then put the Mallorcas in too. This is just for them to proof. We ain't baking yet. All right, guys, check it out. Look at the Mallorcas. They're already touching. It's time to get them into the oven. Nice and beautiful. Had a couple hours proofing here. Oven's at 375. The Mallorcas have been baked. They've been baking for 20 minutes. That's a lot of minutes. Time to take them out. Let's see how they're looking. Ooh, baby. Oh. Oh, Mallorca. Oh, Mallorca. Mallorca, man. Yo, there's only one thing left to do, man. That's to get the powdered sugar liberally sprinkled on these Mallorcas. And then, of course, we're gonna enjoy one. Yeah, who needs a sifter, huh? just liberal coat of powdered sugar. I mean, I figure I just do it with my hand. I do everything with my hands. How could you not? These Mallorcas are hot out of the oven. To be quite frank, I don't know how I even lasted this long without eating one. Hit them with the hit them with the yeah, you know what I'm saying? Guys, thank you so much for watching the Mallorca Bake from my book, New World Sourdough. Make sure you peep the recipe, you know what I'm saying, if you got the book, or check it out on that Food 52, you know what I'm saying, that Food 52. Guys, when I was in Puerto Rico for the first time and I saw how Mallorcas were being used, my mind was just blown. I mean, like seriously, yo, just like, boom, cut them in half for a sandwich. Boom, eat it with coffee. Boom, eat it by itself like this. Look, pick them up warm. Oh, please save me. Man, this profession's gonna kill me, man. Golly. Because you already know the kitchen full of bread, the kitchen full of Mallorcas, the kitchen full of, you know what I'm saying? Wow. Yo. Oh man. That was a genuine second bite. That was not like for the camera. You already know I'm gonna take the middle piece. You can see the steam coming up, man. These is hot out the oven, baby. Mallorcas, New World Sourdough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Holla at your boy.